Each national team will submit a squad of 23 players for UEFA Women's Euro 2022, 3 of whom must be goalkeepers. If a player is injured or ill severely enough to prevent their participation in the tournament before the team's first match, they can be replaced by another player. The squad list must be published no later than 10 days before the tournament's opening match. The age listed for each player is their age, as of 6 July 2022, the first day of the tournament. The numbers of caps and goals listed for each player do not include any matches played after the start of the tournament. The club listed is the club for which the player last played a competitive match prior to the tournament. The nationality for each club reflects the national association to which the club is affiliated. A flag is included for coaches who are of a different nationality to their team. The squad was announced on 27 June 2022. On 4 July, Virginia Kirchberger replaced Lisa Kolb, who withdrew after contracting to COVID-19, and Annabel Schaching replaced Maria Plattner, who withdrew following a shoulder injury sustained in training. Head coach Irene Furman. A provisional 28-player squad was announced on 17 May 2022. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.